So today is the day when we are going to alter this old tin box and create a beautiful gift box. And yes, we are going to use this beautiful massive decoupage paper. I know a lot of you have been watching our channel, but please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. And let's get back to the tutorial. So I've already measured the size what I will be needing, and I'm going to cut this up. So massive decoupage papers, they have a huge collection of beautiful decoupage papers, and I absolutely love using them. I've done a lot of tutorials with these, so do check that. And whatever the supplies I'm using are mentioned in the comment section or the description box below. You guys can check that. And yes, there are also the napkins available which you guys can use instead of decoupage papers, but I prefer having both of them so that I can use as per my convenience. So once I applied my decoupage glue here, I'm going to stick it on my box, and once I am done with that, I am going to make sure that I dry this up really well. Now the next step is to cover up my tin base. So before doing any work, you have to make sure that you prep up your base, and for prepping up your base you will need a black color gesso. Now why a black color gesso? Because I am going to play around with a lot of colors and mediums on the top of it, and that's the reason I will be needing a gesso. Now just to make my work easier, as it's a round box, it is just going to topple everywhere, so I am going to use my heat gun meanwhile to dry this up really well.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away, 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 as you fade aw Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
After all the gesso work, here it's time to play around with the laces. So first I have decided to use my tacky tape. I know a lot of you use your liquid adhesives or the mediums, but I absolutely love tacky tape when it comes to sticking something of laces or something, because they stick pretty well and they are like super quick to stick, so you don't have to wait for your mediums to dry out. Like once I'm done with my tacky tape work, I am just going to like stick it on my base and it is done, so you really don't have to wait for anything. So here I'm using a nice cotton lace, and yes, of course I have listed all the supplies in the comment section, you guys can check that. I thought of playing around with the colors a lot, so I just felt that with this my blue color is going to go really well. That was the reason I had picked up this lace. So I'm just going to have a tinge of blue in this. Of course, as you will see at the end of the video, there are a lot of colors and mediums which I am going to use. But initially I'm just going to cover up my lace, like more than half of my lace, with a nice black gesso color. your tips also. And do subscribe to my channel, do follow us on Facebook, and do check our website. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.